Good morning, students. In my first module, we learn the basic concept of mensuration and their different formulas. So today we are going to do exercise 16.1. In exercise 16.1, now first question, find the area of a triangle whose base is 6 cm and corresponding height is 4 cm. Given base 6 cm, height 4 cm. Draw a triangle. Base is given 6 cm and height is given 4 cm. Therefore, area of a triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2 base 6 cm, height 4 cm. Answer will be 12 cm square. Now question number 2. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. So we have to draw a triangle ABC whose sides are 4 cm, 5 cm, 3 cm. In this case, we have to draw a right angle triangle. 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. Now student, we have to find the area. We have two options. First by Heron's formula or second by 1 by 2 base into height. Now we have to apply Heron's formula. Given A equal to 4 cm, B equal to 3 cm and C equal to 5 cm. Therefore, S equal to 4 plus 3 plus 5 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 equal to 6 cm. S is also known as semi-perimeter. Therefore, area equal to square root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now put these values. 6 minus 4, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 5. Square root 6 into 2 into 3 into 1. So therefore answer will be 6 cm square. Now student, third question. If the area of an equilateral triangle is 81 square root 3 cm square, find its perimeter. Area is given 81 root 3 cm square. We have to find perimeter. Since area equal to root 3 by 4 A square. What is the A? Is the side of an equilateral triangle. Therefore, area is given 81 root 3 equal to root 3 by 4 A square. A square equal to 81 root 3 into 4 by root 3. Therefore, A equal to square root 81 into 4 18 cm. Therefore, perimeter equal to 3A 3 into 18 54 centimeter. Clear, students? Now question number 4. Find the area of an isosceles triangle whose base is 6 cm and perimeter is 16 cm. Since an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, therefore perimeter equal to A plus B. Perimeter is given 16 cm. Equal side. Finally, whose base is given now 2A plus base 6 cm. Therefore, 2A equal to 10. A equal to 5 cm. Area of an isosceles triangle equal to B by 4 square root 4A square minus B square. Now put the values. B is given 6 cm, 6 by 4, 4A. What is the A? 5. 5 square minus 6 square. Equal to 6 by 4 into 8. Answer will be 12 centimeter square. Clear, students? So we solved basic problems and rest questions you will have to do in your homework. Thank you all of you.